Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be making shrimp and crab ceviche. Okay, I done made ceviche on this channel a couple times already, but I never made it this way, and I want to try it a little different way because I love ceviche and I'm always trying to enhance my recipes and make them a little better. So we're gonna try this. I never had it this way before, so we're gonna try a new little recipe. Okay, but before we get to it, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon. This recipe is actually in this book, so make sure y'all purchase it, okay? It's on Amazon and it is linked below digitally, okay, y'all? Without further ado, let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really did know you.
Alright, y'all, so before we get started, I am going to be showing y'all how I cut up everything. But I'm not going to sit here and bore y'all with the cutting because we get it. At some point, we just going to get, that's how you cut that, alright? So, yeah. I forgot to tell y'all, for those of you who cannot eat shrimp, crab meat, or, you know, shellfish, I am going to be making like a separate dish of tilapia ceviche, okay? So if you can eat tilapia or fish or whatever, then you can also eat this dish as well, okay? Or if you got people in your household who cannot eat it, you know, and you can make this dish for them. Okay, let's go. Let's get to it. First thing we're gonna do, y'all, is lay down a little piece of paper towel that's wet. If you know the trick, you know. This is so that your board does not move, y'all. I know it's something that you could probably buy that you put under here, but I don't got that right now. So we're going to put that under our board. Push it down and it won't move. Okay, y'all. So anytime I'm making any ceviche, I always start off with the shrimp. I like to get the ones that's deveined and halfway peeled so that it's easier. So you don't got to do all that work. So you just want to peel your shrimps. And I meant to tell y'all, make sure y'all get a glass bowl, okay? We're not going to be using no plastic. You have to use a glass bowl because those plastics be having all those chemicals and stuff, and it doesn't help the shrimp cook well, okay? And for those of you who don't believe in the lime cooks your shrimp, it really does. But if you don't believe it, you can go ahead and dump your shrimp in some hot boiling water for like 5 to 10 seconds until it turns pink, and then you're gonna take it out, okay? When thawing out y'all shrimp, thaw it out in cold water. Don't thaw out your shrimp in hot water because it will cook it. So thaw it out in cold water or take it out, you know, some hours before so it can just thaw out by itself. Okay, so I like to cut my shrimp in pieces like this. So I'm using this canned crab meat right here. I usually try not to get the white one, but I think this is all they had. So, ooh, I could put imitation crab in yours. Then I'm gonna use this white crab meat that that I had in the cabinet. You just want to drain all the juice out and dump it. So we're gonna add a little oil to this. I already added some, but okay, y'all. So I don't season this. I just put it right in there. Don't worry if it's thick. It's okay. If it breaks up, it's okay. We're gonna break it up and put it in the ceviche anyway. Okay, so we have our tilapia and we have our shrimp and crab. I'm gonna do some imitation crab as well. So the first thing you want to do after you get all the meat is get the lime in there. We're just gonna cut about 5 limes for each bowl. Get you a lime squeezer because it's so much easier than having to do it with your hands. And I usually put my limes to the side so I can squeeze the rest of the juice out with my hands once I get out most of the juice out. Just take a fork, flatten it down. Now, y'all, we're gonna sit this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. And y'all, we're gonna do the same for this one. So we're gonna do the cucumber. I like mine peeled. So get you a potato peeler and just peel it. Y'all, I don't know how people go up and down like this and peel it. I can only go one way. So, peel your cucumber. Cut the ends. Cut it down the middle. Take yourself a spoon and scrape it out. Do what you want with this, but I'm throwing it out. Okay, then you're going to take your cucumbers and you just want to slice them as thinly as possible. Okay, now we're going to take our tomato, and I have 1 tomato for each bowl. You really want to get the Roma tomatoes so that they don't have that much seeds in them, but I'm going to use these big ones. Slices. I don't know about y'all, I like to get all my tomato around the sides and everything. I got 2 jalapenos per bowl. You can use serrano peppers too, but mine is frozen. Then you just want to do the same thing you did with the cucumber. Small slices like this and dice. I usually don't put cilantro in mine, so you can do without it, but like I said, y'all, I am trying something a little different. So we're gonna do cilantro this time, and I'm just gonna split this bunch in half and split it between the bowl. So you just want to cut that off. And yes, you clean it. You want to make sure it's clean. If you don't like your cilantro wet, clean it the day before so it can dry, so you can cut it good. Okay, so take your onion. You can rinse it out with some water if it burns. That's what I'm gonna do. They say when you cut this part off is when it burns, but baby, I already cut this part off and it burns. So we're gonna hurry up and cut this. We're gonna do half for each bowl, so I'm gonna cut this in half. Start over. Okay, y'all, so we have all this now. We're just gonna dump it in here since we done cut everything. Our jalapenos over here, you can't really see it, but it's there. Then we're gonna take some salt. Just sprinkle a little salt in there. Not too much, y'all, because it can get salty. A little black pepper. I'm going to add, this is my first time using this, y'all, so we're gonna try some of this. Okay, I don't normally use this, but we're gonna use a little. Ooh, smells good. Oh yeah, I might like that. We're gonna use some Tapatio. If you don't like yours hot, obviously you can skip this part. And we gotta have some Louisiana. Like, this is what I always normally use anyway, besides Tapatio, but I'm just using Tapatio for add a little bit of a new recipe, okay? But always Louisiana. Now, if y'all want to, y'all can add avocado. I'm not doing that. Y'all know I don't like avocado. A little bit of Clamato juice. I never really used this, but we're gonna try a little bit this time. Now, they say you're supposed to use a cup, but I'm not using no cup, because that's just gonna be a little too much. That's good enough for me. Now you just want to mix. Y'all see our shrimp is pink? That means it's cooked. Y'all are going to take some of these tostadas, and you're gonna put the ceviche on a tostada. I'll show you. Okay, y'all, so this is how it came out. Like I said, there are plenty of ways you can make this ceviche, y'all. You don't even have to use everything that I use. Normally, I don't even use all of this stuff, but like I said, I'm trying something new, and I did try it, and it was very, very delicious. So, I think I'm going to keep doing it this way, honestly. But don't forget, y'all, the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. I don't be saying that for no reason. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, and what y'all want to learn. And y'all know I don't like avocado. That's just for presentation. So, yes, we're gonna remove that. Now we gonna eat it. Oh yeah, y'all, you gotta put some hot sauce on it, because this is how I eat mine. This is how I eat mine, y'all. I still put a little hot sauce on top, and you just pick that up and crunch that.
Hit that subscribe button.